आता आम्ही नॉर्वेच्या ऑस्लो शहरात वेस्ट टू एनर्जी प्लांट पळोवपाक वयतले। त्या उपरांत स्टॅव्हेंजर शहरात आम्ही CND वेस्ट रिसायकल प्लांट पळोवपाक वयतले। एनर्जी टू वेस्ट म्हणजे जो ड्राय वेस्ट असता तो वापरून कशी एनर्जी तयार करपाक जाता, स्टीम तयार करपाक जाता, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तयार करपाक जाता ते थंय पळयतले। त्या उपरांत CND वेस्ट प्लांटान कन्स्ट्रक्शन आनी रस्त्याक जे मटेरियल वापरता ते प्रोसेस करून परत रिसायकल करून कशें वापरपाक जाता, तेची खडी रेंव कशी काडपाक जाता ते थंय आमी पळयतले।
The roads in Goa or India, when they want to redo the roads, the old asphalt is being removed. They can bring it to the factory and they separate the bitumen and the aggregate. It goes back into the whole process of cleaning it scientifically, and then the same thing can be reused back again in the new asphalt. So 40% is being reused in the new roads, the same old material which comes into the factory. How much more sand are we going to extract from the rivers? So here we are going to get sand out of the whole material what we bring from the old debris, and also from the aggregate, the big aggregate. We are going to make sand out of it.
Of course, the weather will probably have an effect on the need for the heat.
Yeah.
But like here in Norway, we also have a period during the summertime where we can have up to 30 degrees C, and we don't have the need for the heat. And that's why I showed you also these huge fans. So we think it is a lot better to burn the waste rather than have it on landfill, and then rather cool it to air.
Per day, you said that 20,000 tons of waste is being burned. Or whatever.
20 ton per hour.
Per hour,
per
okay.
hour on line 3.
आम्ही आता दोन्ही प्लांट नॉर्वे देशात पळयले। गोंयांत सध्या 100 टन मायज RDF ड्राय वेस्ट तयार जाता डजचा। तशेंच दर दिसाक 500 टन सुमार CND वेस्ट जे कन्स्ट्रक्शनाचे वेस्ट, डेब्रीज, रस्त्याचो डांबराचो वेस्ट तयार जाता। आनी गोंय सरकार ते हँडल करपा खातीर हे दोन्ही प्रकारच्यो टॅक्नॉलॉजी गोंयांत हाडपाक सोदता। नॉर्वेच्यान हांव लोकेश चिलकार, प्रुडंटा खातीर।